What are my truth cards?
It'll stop. It'll stop.
You're a good friend, yes. You're smart, yes. Thank you.
My turn. I'm low-key kind of scared.
You shouldn't.
You are You are a chill girl. You smell good.
That is literally so good.
The lazy part, I don't know about that. I'm not lazy.
You are lazy, Ryan.
I'm not lazy, but like I like to sit and chill and watch TV and go on my iPad. You know what I'm saying? Like, who can agree?